What's up guys, it's your coach Łukasz, and today I'm gonna show you full body strength endurance workout utilizing kettlebell. So check it out. Alright guys, so for today's workout we're gonna need 2 kettlebells. We're gonna be focusing on full body strength endurance. We're gonna do 5 exercises, 5 reps per exercise. We're gonna be working for 6 minutes non-stop. So let's get started. Exercise number 1, we're gonna do suitcase squats. Make sure you have weights that are challenging enough, but we want to still maintain a proper form. We're going to do 5 repetitions. Grab the kettlebells, feet hip or shoulder width apart. From this position, you're just going to go down, touch the floor with the kettlebell, come back up, squeeze your butt on top, and exhale. We work on quads and also your glutes as well. Exercise number 1, suitcase squats. Exercise number 2, we're gonna do push press with the kettlebells. So you guys gonna grab the kettlebells. They should be resting on your forearms and on your shoulders. Feet, shoulder or hip width apart. From this position, I'm gonna slightly dip my knees. Explosively press up and exhale. We work on shoulders, triceps, pressing strength. Next exercise, we're gonna do Stagger stance deadlift. You guys are gonna grab the kettlebells, bring your feet back a little bit, lift your heel up. From this position, I'm gonna shoot my hips back. I'm gonna do a hip hinge. Make sure your back is straight. Come back up and squeeze your butt on top. We work on posterior chain, hamstrings and glutes. On the second set, you're gonna switch the stance. Alright guys, exercise number 4, we're gonna do our rowing variation for our back muscles and biceps. The kettlebell is gonna be between your feet. Your feet is gonna be shoulder width or slightly maybe wider. You guys are gonna go to a hip hinging position. Grab the kettlebells, make sure your lats are tight, back straight. From this position, I'm gonna roll the kettlebells towards my chest and come back down. Retract your shoulder blades, squeeze your back on top. I like this variation because you have a full range of motion, and also it's a little bit easier than for the lower back than just doing from here. So I kind of like resting the kettlebells on the floor because it's just a little bit easier for my lower back, and I feel like the range of motion is a little bit better. So exercise number 1, kettlebell rows. All right guys, exercise number 5, we're gonna be focusing on the lower body, split squat. So what you guys are gonna do is this: 1 leg forward, 1 leg back, lift your heel up, grab the kettlebells, and from this position we're gonna squat down, come back up, and exhale. Nice and control. We work on quads, glutes, also balance and stability, 5 reps. After 5 reps, we're gonna switch the side. Nice and control. Exercise number 5, split squats. Alright guys, so those were the 5 exercises for full body strength endurance. So now let's combine all those exercises together in a sequence and let's get to work. Alright guys, so today we're working on a full body strength endurance utilizing 2 kettlebells. We did 5 exercises for full body, 5 reps per exercise, 6 minutes all the way through. The way you can progress on this workout is that next week you can increase the duration of your workout. So then you can do 8 minutes, and the next week then you can do 10 minutes, then 12 minutes. After 12 minutes you can come back to 6 minutes duration, but you can increase the weight. This workout you can implement as part of your finisher or part of your workout. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the description where else you'd like to see. Other than that, work hard, stay focused, and we'll see you soon. Take care.